Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to one of my other videos here on YouTube. Just to give you a heads up update on Project SirMalo, the engine is in, as you guys can tell. It was a little bit difficult installing it in there, especially when it's just by yourself installing it. But if you got the right tools and you got the right knowledge, you can definitely do it. One-man solo project right here. It is installed. I'm happy with it. Mortar mounts, everything mocked up. It's a 6.0, went from 5.3 to 6.0. It's in. I'm happy it fits. All the bolts, all the transmission, all the stuff from the bottom, all nice and torqued down beautifully. So what we got next going on for this project is obviously we're going to slap the manifold onto the block. I'm going to have to splice and connect the 6.0 oil pressure sender unit. That way I can have an oil pressure reading on my gauge. Why do I have to do that? Because I just simply forgot to take off my old pressure sending unit for my 5.3 off that block and just put it onto that one, and I would have been done. So if you guys are doing this swap, keep your 5.3 or the 4.8 one, just use it. I'm pretty sure it's the same. On the 6.0 it's a little bit different because of the, I don't know, just like the mounting, the pigtail right here, this thing, it's not the same. So I couldn't just use my original harness one to clip onto this one. So that's why I'm gonna splice and connect that. I won't bore you guys with that kind of video. I'm sure at home you guys can figure that out. If you can't, don't do that. All right, I'm not responsible for that. So like I said, we got the manifold here. We'll put it on. I will put it on for you guys. That'll be another video for the throttle body. That's what my other video is going to be. Watch, I'll show you. I'll be back. Don't mind the mess in the background, guys. Alright, sorry for leaving you guys. Let me get into the camera view here. So what I have here in my hand is a Z06 throttle body. This will be replacing the 6.0 LY6 throttle body. It's a 4-bolt. This is a 4-bolt. It's not the 3 bolts that you see on the 4.8s, on the 5.3s. Much bigger throttle body, way bigger. Bigger than that, and that's way bigger than the 5.3. I know there's a lot of guys that do the manifold conversions on the 5.3. That's pretty cool. Thumbs up to you guys. I think it's awesome. Horsepower ratings on all that kind of stuff, I don't know. I don't know how much more bigger throttle body, horsepower, increments, nothing like that. But in order for me to operate that with my harness, I had to get an X-Link. This X-Link harness, I mean, just you Google it, you'll find it, you'll see the prices on them. It's ridiculous, but you have to get it. So it definitely hurts your wallet. If you can find it on OfferUp for like 50 bucks, I mean, go for it. What's the worst that can happen? Not work and then you're negative 50. This is that Langham filter harness that will connect my cam sensor, crankshaft sensor, cam sensors. That's all it does. Because these are the front mount cam sensor, the engine or crank sensors in the back. This just takes care of all that. Why do you need this? So you can use your original 5.3 or the 4.8 ECM. I don't know the names of the ECMs, but they're not like the new generation, the Gen 4s. These are Gen 3 ECMs. This will make a Gen 4 to Gen 3. That's the thing. Do your research, Google it. There's tons of stuff on there. But I'm going to try to do it for you guys. I'll try to explain it, how to install it. But this is just a quick cap video of what's going on. I'm sorry that it's been taking me forever to upload new videos, but I've just been working and this is just a project. That's why it's Project SirMalo. If you guys have projects at home, you store them. It's winter time, you just put it away, you store it, and you get to it when you get to it. since I live in a very hot state, when it's wintertime, that's when I start working on them. When it's summertime, I will pause the whole project itself because it's just way too hot. So let me put this back on my seat over there and I'll be right back. So what else is required from this project? Well, other than these harnesses and these throttle body conversions, like I said, I will do another video of swapping this out and that one out, and hopefully this fitting, clearing, you know, the throttle blade. Sorry, I'm not good with the camera and point view angles, but you know, I'll make another video of that. Okay, we'll get to that, guys. And that's it. You'll bolt up a water pump, you'll bolt up all the other stuff, and you should be good. Thank you for checking out my video. Sorry for making that so long, but you guys have a good day. We'll see you. And please like and subscribe, all right? Peace.